Morning, sis, you good?
Anyway, so my sister come and talk to me so later. Alright, me call him man. Alright, no worry yourself, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Morning, you
Morning,
alright?
sis. Yeah, I'm okay.
Good. Yeah, man. What you plan for today?
Boy, I don't know. Just sit down here so I go and look.
No, sir. You know, so that now go work. May I go up on the road and look a job. Because landlord a come. And you hear him last night. Or him come and couldn't open the door. Me don't want that again. So,
I'm no business with him. We can come all he wants.
yes, but we still need to look at work, sis. We need to look at work, get some money in.
So what kind of... Me never go to school, so you don't know how that go. What kind of work me can do?
You can do any work. You can do housework. You can wash for people. You can clean for people. You can care. You're a caring person. Because you care for mommy and daddy when they did sick. You're a caring person. You can go look after old people. You can wash. You can clean. You can cook. You all can cook too. Huh? We have to pull together, sis. We can't live
So
like
why you
this,
never
man.
say find a man and rip him off and all them kind of something? Is something no better?
Well, I know some mommy and daddy raise me. If that's what you want,
Better
we
for
can't stop
me.
you.
You
But
better me find a man and rip him off. You better for me. You better for me.
well, either way, but we need to find a work because me not like the hiding from people thing.
I mean, not hide from nobody.
You never opened the door yesterday when the landlord
But
come.
I'm not afraid of landlord.
Yeah, but you never opened the door though. You sit down on the bed, quiet.
Yeah. Me go seduce him. Me seduce him.
Well, you have to find something in the meantime, sis, because money have to start coming here. All right. Me personally.
Well, sis, if you want to look at work, fine. I'm happy for you, but me can't right now. Me can't manage.
Well, landlord, they're a bamboo tree. Today a Thursday, every morning him there away. So you gotta seduce him. So me go look at work, come look the landlord, come sis.
You know that? Me I go seduce him because me look at me.
Well, we know him then.
Me not have no education, me don't slide back, me not me ready to look at man and rip man.
Alright, come, what do you have to do? But come man, can we know where him there?
Alright.
You go look where
then look.
He can't turn you down. Come on.
Alright.
Forward. Please God, today is the day.
So who landed in the bamboo tree this we reach?
Yeah.
So what the landlord? But the woman
Sis, Lisa, me know you,
like you tell me for joke, you know.
Me know you, know. You really think me gonna set you up a
Stop playing with me, man. Me not play.
You have to come look for work, man.
Don't play with me. Don't play with me.
Mommy and daddy would have turned in them grave. Come, man.
Mr. No play with me them way they tell me say the landlord go out there. So which part
me get you outside now, make we go look at work.
Jesus Christ, me never come on the road for this.
Well, you come on the road and you're up on the road now, so you might
you look like me in a clothes to go look at work.
All you is going to do, you now go for interview now. All you is going to do is ask for.
So what kind of work that you go on?
My lady, you think you need suit and tie for go wash people panty?
Me not wash no drawers. What you take me for?
All right. What kind of work you think you can do then?
So you tell me say man out here, so I know me come out here so for see man and
my
no
girl,
man no out
me
here.
Is your big sister. Me nah make you make my mother and father.
After me a plan how to seduce man and
we're going to work. Honest days work. All right. Then what business you gonna start? If you don't want to work for people, what kind of business you gonna start? Huh? Try come,
you
man.
see me this sit down out of veranda mind me one business.
Yes, and when landlord come, you can't pay him. When light for pay, you can't pay it. When water for pay, you can't do it. Eh? You want long bath, you want drink, you want eat and everything.
You play too much.
Me not playing about work. Girl, looking at my eyes, me not playing.
Me not looking at your eye neither.
Well, come,
make we go work. That the dark as the like you can't see good.
Me can't see good because we not no money. Come, I work where I go look. Come. Come now.
Look, I'm gonna tell us I'm gonna have the education to go look no work.
You know how
what kind of
go
work you gonna talk
farm
about?
then. Look how you're big and strong. Come, I work where you go on. You're not going back home. Come, make we go look work.
But you did tell me say come and go look a man.
Oh, you love. Come, me, you know, so me now waste time with you know. All me know says me and you are gonna look at work.
Are you a waste time with me? Cause you take me out of here, carry me out here, so tell me say landlord.
So come look at work.
When me come to seduce the landlord, no landlord, then you come talk. It's alright. It's alright. How are you, sir?
Come, me no say.
So you can't wait for me?
Come
wait
man.
for me, man. Sure.
Oh,
yeah. So walk left me for.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Jesus Christ.
And the money we not go find now. Come here, daddy this morning I grumble feel little money. So not having money
You
now.
know how your daddy are grumbling and no midnight yet. We not late. And today we for pay him not giving no time. After today we for pay and not today we are go pay.
Last week.
I don't know where your daddy are talk about.
No.
My calendar said today.
I hurry up and get the money. Because when him not
so I feel your money. Your daddy money or your money?
Yes, I mean I will get
your daddy Miss Hot Sing. Your daddy money or your money?
Me not go argue with you, know. Because
but you look like I say your daddy money or your money.
Here this morning. I come down and be a dirty garbage, me see. Me if you start clean up the place too.
Little girl.
Because soon
before you're passing big people business, come out to the road. Huh? And when you're addressing big people, you have manners. You have manners when you're talking to big people.
Me have manners. Listen now. no need to start clean up the place. So, because I said, look more from this, I will be 18 and I will be start taking over the place.
You're not 18 yet.
No, I have to go come out because me not rent on the place. And me want to
no, if you think you name or your name, come put me out. Put me out. I don't know about she, but put me out.
Really?
Because the clatter this year, me your daddy woman.
Who?
Yeah.
Me pies me before that happened.
Me and them for you.
Me pies me.
Hey, put your finger on the mother cranny like them stepping that shit. Me and them for you.
Little girl.
Pies and moodwa.
Little girl, if you know
what I know,
turn and go back in your yard.
What? Go on your yard and go.
Drink and feisty. Next time you see big people, you have manners.
Don't worry.
All rank and out order.
Man,
I know where she go put her pooper then.
And that me want to know. Look at this man, daddy woman.
Right.
Sibe. So you look so good.
Oh, good. Me no must look good.
A long time I don't see you. I wonder how you transform so you look so good. First time I see you never look so.
Don't worry about that, man. You're the first for everything. And the last for everything. So how do you it?
But then, since I see you, I make you know so I'm still available.
Available?
Yeah.
For what?
No relationship with me at for how long?
No. Me not tell you. Me no want a relationship right now. Me can't manage that, Lisa. You have to walk me, I go walk, you know. So if you want to come walk with me and chill with me,
old TV.
Yes, if you want to come walk with me and chill with me for you, that's fine. But you can't do no relationship right now.
Why you for always drop me like a bam so?
So if me always a drop you like bam, why you wait for me to boom up? Cause me can't manage right now.
I'm still away for you for boom up with me.
Stop wait for the man and come with the pan a mission.
Man.
Come on. With the pan a mission. Because me are the bigger one. Sure. Stick a pin. You take insult for invitation, man. The man tell you say I don't want you.
I'm a big sister right now. So what you say? What you say?
Go with your sister, you come chill with me. But the relationship not gonna work out. To be honest. You can't chill because I'm going to need road so.
Well, me I walk with you because
you really not look no work. But you what, listen, you see when me I go put padlock on the fridge. You see when me get job, I'm going to buy my things, I'm going to have my things, I'm going to pay my bills, half, and you response and me response. Come, yes, time out. Your time waste,
I tell us
man.
that I can't work. Only work I can do is for the man. I can't work. I'm on education. Come on, I tell you. Yeah, go walk up my building.
Come on.
Make sure say man can pay me father rent. That alone me have to say. You see the man where they walk up and down with
she
this
day.
man where they walk up and
Yeah,
down
fly
with.
your hands
Make
everywhere
sure
you
you
day.
can pay your rent. Alright. Make sure he can pay your rent.
So, why everywhere you have to do like yawa? You have fly your hands or you gingy fly? Which one of them?
Me a ginger fly. I correct you.
Well, me know why you follow my ass. You try
It's me a
one.
follow your ass. How you
But
a follow me?
everywhere me day, you just appear.
Make sure the man can pay your rent. And that's what me a say. Cause me no want me go tell my father you know.
So yeah,
You
look,
dey walk up and down with man all over the place.
like as if
can't
you're
pay your
taking
rent.
everything what she say, like you believe what she say.
Me not understand what she has say.
From last week, yeah, me
Girl,
sister
don't put your dirty hand on me. Don't put your
From
filthy hand on
last
me
week.
again.
You know what, Bill? Make sure you pay rent.
You look like that little.
Remember if you want, now you're a woman. You dey walk up and down with her.
Me hear it?
Yes, me, you there. Come on, man. Pretty like say I'm a man, no, you're a man. How do you?
But me that a pretender. Alright. Yeah, baby.
So you feel like me, you?
Alright.
Make sure you pay her rent, yeah? Cause I don't want she live on the streets. Cause she love man like dog.
At least when I come after your yard, come sleep and you look frozen, molly, piss up, baby.
Look funny.
So,
See the garbage them when you have in front of the yard?
Girl, me soon to be wife. Shut your mouth, lock your mouth.
Where?
You just come and come go and look, me soon to be wife.
Where in there? Where ring?
You miss any?
The man not put the ring on the finger yet.
No, you know the panny yet, but don't worry yourself, me soon to be wife.
Who got married?
That's my fiancé.
What?
This little crosses, little.
Jesus!
Hey, girl, you must have put your hand on me.
Or if it be a wife, or if it be a husband when you beg him say to pretend like say it one together. And
Oh, hey, girl, you so lie.
I guess I'm
Oh, you so lie and wicked.
I guess I'm stand up, mama. Over there, so me can't
what is
hear
from this
everything.
that little big old dirty, stinking, brawling, dirty, nasty girl at today?
Me about this.
Big old dirty girl frozen like a squirrel.
When you come with my trash? I want to come with me. They really have time in the talk up. We come with my trash.
Come into my trash. But you get a bicycle, everybody come ride.
Lisa, me hear ya.
Morgan dry out like a girl.
Lisa, me hear ya talk about she big and she think. You just see good. Me hear ya want next thing to Walisa.
And anybody not have to big. Any LAS part of she big.
Walisa, me hear ya talk about one next thing. This a finger you can't hold ring. For me
Why can't hold ring?
This a finger you want do.
You know say you not see right neither?
This.
No, you not see right neither.
Don't dare ever do that again. Don't let anybody know say you're soon to be wife with me. No, this a finger you.
Sure, that's how I should listen to my sister and a boy. Dirty like.
Actually, yeah.
Hey, where you follow back coming for? Can look like you pick up for that girl. It look like that girl they have the iPad, you know.
Where me a follow back?
Where?
Big and think. You come out a humpy dumpy.
You molly like.
Who Molly?
No, you.
Don't
Don't
think.
you have somebody. You have somebody.
You're fat like one king size mattress, one double size.
Kiss out all of that. So what like? Both. One with the girl. You might.
Yo, tenant lit me.
Which tenant liquor?
The two of them beat me and I'm good on there.
What do you liquor for?
Me don't know, just to me tell them if you fuck up your money, if you put their money together, that can you come for your money.
I lie you tell.
A bit true.
Let me see your hand.
See it there.
I lie you tell. Me I go down there right now.
We are now that you not good on there. Let me tell you, me I go down my house and you look for them panny road. You hear daddy?
On the road.
Yeah, look for them panny
right
road.
now.
No, daddy, no go down.
Up the road,
Panny road,
right
I go
now.
down my yard.
Hello, good morning. Come and show me. Please come take out the things and I'm ready for put them out now. Me hear say you and your sister go and lick my daughter. I don't have no right to do that.
We never lick her
First
like that.
and next thing, I'm not paying no rent. So come, me tired of it now, man. Me tired of it.
No, Asabi. I know that. We go up on the road and we see Riri. And she come fly up in our face. And all we do is say, go home. We never lick her. Or if we go lick somebody else picnic. We never lick her. And we can talk for my sister, although my sister not with me. And me and my sister did that. I wouldn't be mad to do that.
But I never that me here. But alright, anyways, me show me right now and pay. Look how long I'm running to my place.
You know,
Come on,
me
man.
just come from,
Come on, man.
me just go get a job. So, me plan, me dey come in, that's why I see me tired, you know. Come I walk and my shoes bottom wear off. Me walk and I finally get a job. So, them I go pay me every 2 weeks.
Week.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can ask for advance or something. Come on,
You
man.
can't advance and me just get the work. Them don't know me like that. Don't see with me. Even if you have it and me stay and you put my sister or whatever. But me need this place. This place is not, and it's just around the corner. It's so close to work.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright. I'm gonna be lenient with you, but please, man, hurry up for the money. And just the next time, just you don't lick my daughter. But please, don't lick my daughter. Even if she not have money, it's not licking. Because you don't have one. I mean, no, say my daughter rude, but me hear say you lick her. You say you lick her and you're bigger. I mean, no, my daughter can't, but you get benefit out of it.
It's she, man, it's she. She can learn. Because in this day and age, you know, you can't fly up in anybody. Anything worse could happen. She have to cool down her head for true, but thank you.
Alright.
Thank you.
Last night when I come knock up at 2 a.m., I know someone here and answer, but
Me never there here. Me know about my sister, but I wasn't here. Oh God, me would have talked to you.
you're good, man.
Alright, blessings, walk good here.
Riri,
Yeah?
which way you coming from?
Now let me tell you something, I go down my house, go wait on them.
Riri, Alicia, Jackson, where you coming from?
Now let me tell you, say, me down my house.
I go ask you last time, which way you come from?
My house.
You know, see, I want to lie, do a little girl. Which way you think me I come from?
On the road.
I down at the house, me go. Cause people ain't have to come back at the house. So me I walk up and I look for them on the road for me either.
Well,
So which way you did there?
Daddy, me did go down my house, you know. But me done there way too long, so me go up on the road and walk. Till me say me I see them, and me never see them. Anyways, Daddy. Yeah, did see them come down my house?
Yeah, man, it's me see them come down there and me deal with it. But you know, say me I get to find out, see I want to lie. I don't want to even lick you for show. You know, see I want to lie, I do, Renisha.
Daddy, they lit me. Argument, no. You know me, I realize too, Daddy. You know, say you don't really have much sense. You don't really have much sense. So funny too. You give them one house, right? And all you fit in a board house. If you rent out one house before
girl,
we...
me I no size, and first thing, you know no sense. Wall house costs more for rent than board house. If me rent them the board house, me not get 40 grand a month. The wall house have AC, light bill and all of that.
But you can't put AC in the board
How
house.
you put AC in a board house? You want the board then freeze and drop out. As a matter of fact, go on your room, because you come like you know no sense.
No,
Go
no
on
sense.
your room. Let me get them pick me a fat.
My sister, I don't want to say vex with me.
You happy you get the work?
I don't get to work. If
You
you
get
know
paid.
what, if you know how
You get
to keep on
paid
the road,
with the work you choose, you get
better me
paid.
dey listen to you. Better me dey listen to you. Because when me go down the road, no, the mist thing me back up on again. The landlord data. Yes. Back
Well,
up and again, I can't tell me, you make me know. Say, I hope the man can pay the rent.
she prime for a long time. She born prime. Secondly to that now, more importantly, you know what you miss? Huh. Landlord.
You should have did
This
it.
a landlord.
You should have did it for help me beat the girl.
No. David come here.
I beat her, you see?
David come here for him rent. Ready for kick we out. And wait, you stop and stick up in and listen. You nearly lose your place. No matter about man that not pay your money. You nearly lose your place. David come for kick we out.
Me not lose my place.
Right? So it's like me love how you say you should have listened to me. Tomorrow morning as a cock crow if I go get a job, me tell you so me get work.
Where the woman come again.
So you don't want nowhere to live. So here what? You must want we take your name off it then and him cut down the rent and me want
we
live
can't go down a bridge.
Because
we can't go down a bridge.
Well whatever. You have to go get some money come in.
We can't go
Because we only have 2 weeks. He was gonna give us 1 week. We have 2 weeks to pay last month money we're gonna pay. Or we're out. You might have paper in your back pocket. You take this thing for joke. Get a work.
Yeah, you don't never put out. You say? Anytime he come here, me I look him. Me I seduce him.
Listen. You call to TV where the money name is professional. You're professional.
Me never tell somebody gonna go with TV.
You walk off from me, man, and know where you're gone with me and you separate. And you say you're gonna get the big money. Where the big money there?
See me have to run him way, can you let me down a road?
You know, sister, that's a sign.
Sign of what?
Sign for you to get to work, getting some money legally.
Only sign me I go put up right for my door and outer road is
get a job.
Sell here.
Get a job. Because all
me and my sister.
Me now get put out of this for you. So
wait, wow.
If you don't get a job, me have this let you know what one. If you don't get a job or get some money coming in, me will talk to David
about this job.
To David.
Me is tired. Don't talk to me because are you alone I get put out? Are you alone I get put out with your old bungalow? Dear boy, I come talk about job. Every day you get up and talk about job. Look at man. Me tell us me now work. I want to work. Me do I work per man. Tell you. Me a man mechanic. Alright.
Alright, you know what me I could do. Lisa, come here, please, and thanks.
Why this woman call me for again this man? Oh.
Good morning.
Good morning, sis.
You know, some never sleep good last night.
Why you not sleep good last night?
Because me I talk to you from where day and I tell you said the land. Yeah, you sleep good because you're the business. Huh? Landlord come. Rent for pay. We have less than a week. You have somewhere to go?
Me live anyway.
Because me not know where else to go, you know? And this little thing me have to work with. We can't afford nothing else. I mean, I'll talk to you. I mean, sister, you not take it in. I got you need for go get a job with a business.
Tell you something, I have the education for work.
You're not full of education, but you're full of sense. You're full of sense. You know what you're full of? You're full of nonsense. Eh? You need letters out to your name for go wash clothes.
I don't understand them big words. Stop dropping big words them for me.
You need education for wash people clothes. You need education
yes,
for rain people.
Yes, education for wash people clothes because look at this now. Me here say somebody tag them where them are warm water, washing and cold water, however. Where me I gonna know?
So you know use your sense, your common sense, and your nonsense. I said to the people, say, me don't really understand this machine. You know, can come from foreign. You can show me how to do it. And from there show you the tool. But now,
look at you before time.
Which day before time? Try go look at work because you have to bring something in today. Come in and feel safe. You take this thing serious, you know. You say you want the landlord. That not gonna work. Check it. Even if you get him, you're gonna get Mr. Flo. You gonna get Mr. JPS. You gonna get Mr. Water
Bill Gates,
Commission.
no one, Bill Gates.
Well, him not there. So till him there, you have to get something. We only have a few days, sis. You know, take this thing serious.
You know,
man.
say soon give me brain damage.
Brain damage, go get to work when you
Every
get brain
day
damage.
come beat down my brain bodies. Work.
Serious. You see, you're gonna look, man. I mean, I see no not coming from that.
And one thing
so that
me
now
know,
work.
one thing me know when time me a wine up.
You're not getting no money.
What?
Chaja, you know.
So that woman here tell me where me get for where me don't get.
Where the money for the rent then? Me no business. You see, when you pay your bills after that, me no business. What you do with your money?
Well, you know what happened? You know what happened? Me, I go on the road and me I go look at work. And me I go pay off the rent one time and done, and then me left the work. But say, me no want no work to wash no dirty clothes. But
you left your them. Cause you not provide for you no more. Not when me say you not try. Go on, man, go look the work. And leave it in a month and see what happens. If you think say after that month when you stop paying, you think say you go open fridge and open cupboard and use light, not
you know, so that's
you're
all
not
I have over me. That's all I have over me.
Talk to David
that's all I
already.
have over me, but everything is alright.
Go look the work, man.
Everything, you know what? Me I like going around place.
Full of nonsense like a wall. Sure.
Oh. As we see me, I book off my toe.
So like God powerful, cause yesterday you dissed me.
God. You know, see, as me see my face bright up like sunflowers. So yeah, move so me, yeah, friend, you know. One thing, I'm sorry about yesterday.
That's good, man, cause at least you apologize. Someone apologize, so me go take it.
So, I'm there. So me I go on the road, but as me see me, I beg me to pay me.
Do you have no money for me? Like me left my wallet up on my yard.
Jesus Christ, besides, every time I see you broke like a church mouse, what happens, so? Why every time I see you broke like a church mouse?
Cause you always see me the wrong time. Me no walk
I wonder
with...
if, you know, so me come up here and come wash your clothes and cook your food and anything, and then you pay me then because you look like I saw me, I forgot to get a money from you.
Me tell her yesterday, I don't want a relationship, Lisa. I don't want it. Me live with my woman up there now.
You live with the woman up there? Well, carry clothes them, come give me wash them. Me wash them and you pay me.
If my woman chop me up, kill me.
Oh,
you want my woman damage me?
So now you tell me say you're not in a relationship thing, so you go tell me that.
Can me have my woman living with? So me don't want a relationship from you.
Jesus, please.
When me I do with the next relationship, when me don't have a woman me living with?
Yes. Take me up, put me on her.
Mad move. My woman a yard slim, you know. You want to come broke her up with this a thick body?
Every time you see me, you scandalize my body. Oh.
So me no must scandalize your body. If your body look good.
Actually, you can't get it.
Actually, me loyal.
You know what? Mr. Ball out today. People. See, hey. See this man here look me and he not no money for give me. You look a broke pocket, man.
You mad? Me I look you?
Mad? You look like me mad to you? Me I wear dirty clothes? You look like me I wear dirty clothes?
When since me I look you?
Whoa!
Every day.
Whoa!
What this little cockroach everywhere me turn me see this little cockroach. I wish picture crawl out of
You
now.
don't get the
Find
money
yourself
yet.
there, so.
You get the money yet?
Will you come intervene in my
You
business?
get the money yet? I don't want to. You get the money yet?
My girl just hop off for me, allow me alone.
Every minute, every day, me see you turn up with this man. He man not get money for the parent.
You know so me I got this you. You know me I got this you do.
Me father rent. Yeah,
come out of my face.
Careless.
Come out of my face,
You're
girl.
big and careless.
Like your mama. But you come talk about. No mess with that bad look for you, you know.
Who from her?
Cause today me know me that mash you up. No touch. No touch. Touch. You come go like you're a bad girl. You're a bad girl.
Best you go on.
Hey girl, don't make me dirty. Don't make me have to dirt you down here today. Crosses.
Yo.
You know say you make all of them mess up me and happen?
Me?
So.
Me tell her already so me no want to. Yo. You know nothing of there. Oh, cause them me too.
You know say man you want like a big old dirty worthless man. So what time you get have a two big sword in her and you never defend me?
Where me I defend you for?
So you come hide and then you come out and you don't get no hurt.
Me fi defend
Ma,
you.
hey, you're big and worthless now.
Me and that the girl you know make one for you, for the size of body we have. So me fi defend you. I want to you. All of them here, them a flesh ya. How are them there for?
Oh, so to me have any amount of flesh now. And to your mag and favor them look
If me get a lick out of one of them, the stone your Lisa, me broke up. You, the stone just boom off. Girl, I eat that. What she a warrior for?
money for pay my rent.
Your rent.
Yes.
So how much your rent?
$20,000.
Look, come on, I can't check you. I'll give you a piece of money. I don't have no money for me because I left my wallet.
Really?
Yeah, and tomorrow, I can pay a half.
Really?
Tomorrow I can pay a half of the money for the rent. Because I know that the girl, you know, a good girl. And, you know,
Which part of she good? You know, see, you know, say everywhere you go, you disgrace me.
listen, take time talk to me. I'm the boss
Alright,
now. I'm going to pay for your rent.
Okay.
So take time talk to me, please.
Okay.
Who want to know about talk nice? Decent. Yeah.
Mm.
So go on about your business now, because I know want nobody pass and see and turn up your son and go tell my woman. I know I'm a woman come. My woman always watch me, you know. So take your time, go on, man.
You see, if you ain't not gonna do that for me, I would have tell you something done here today. Because it goes so weird.
Do I mean belly big like fear one empty barrel. Make be nice.
Oh God, take out some breeze.
Hello.
Hello.
Me a beg you a call.
A car.
Yeah, me will want a call. But me a walk on that call.
Okay.
Answer your phone no. Hello. Yeah. Alisa. Mm-hmm. Anyway, I beg a call. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I say go take a while. Me I go. Me look for my piece for the fire and come back.
Alright.
Yeah, so
Me dey right
you
here,
come
so.
back
Me
here?
dey right here, so, yeah. Alright. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so.
Hold on. No, sir. This will I there. No. After me give the woman a call off of me like a blackberry, she really got. What kind of cross this apartment? God, I'm to go on now. Look what the blood. Look at what the road. Can this not safe at all? I'm sitting here really serious. Really. Young lady. Yeah. Morning. You know, see one little big fat cow. She fat and brown and her hair braid, but it fat up big like the braid in her head for over 5 weeks now or 10 months. Wait there. Wow, look a red king shirt. Yes, man. Me lend the little girl, me lend the woman my phone. She said she want a call, you know. Me give her a call. When me come back up, me piece of pan for her, so she had chat too long. So me say, me I go over the yard, go check for my piece and come back. When me come back out, my phone gone and she gone. She a thief phone now. Well, me know her, yes. Good. Me need my phone for now. And my father rent her one room, so she start thief now. All right. Come show me away. Yes, me go show you away. She need to bright. Walk up to me, they come in. I'm not going to leave that thief man for one. Come, man, come.
Lord God, little girl. Me tell your father, say, may your father come to an arrangement.
Me
So
dear.
you gotta come with it, man.
Me dear, me never come on my father's situation, and alright, man, me come out. Are you thieving sister? Where she there? Lisa!
She not there.
Hello, mama. Say good. Say what? Come on, kiss her, please.
Who you?
It's not your sister Ara, but a woman thief my phone, you know. I give her a call. She said she want a call from morning. She have a call, she can't a call. I give her a call. Told me peace up on the fire now. Me left the phone with her and go for me. I go look for me peace. When me come back out, she gone and the phone gone. What she did?
How you don't even know says my sister. Eh?
Hello,
That's how people
No.
lose their life, you know. Wrongful accusation. My sister don't need to thief your
Hello,
phone, young lady.
me describe the girl.
So is 5 million other people in the world.
Her bird, no? She
Listen, Jamaica, every woman here braid. Most
dear,
women
me
here
don't know
braid.
long
Your hair
talking.
braid.
Me don't know long talking. But me come here for my phone.
So
phone
me
and
don't know
sister.
much your phone and my sister don't know
Phone your
tea.
sister.
You
Phone
don't
her.
do wrong. You don't do wrong.
Man.
You phone my sister on speakerphone. And you see when you're wrong, we want an apology. And as a matter of fact, you gotta apologize to my sister too. And are you friend? I plan this. I plan
Me
this.
dear just ring your number and copy that top plan.
We plan nothing. The thieving sister, she nasty look out there so.
Plan this.
Clean.
I'm finding number.
It's a ring. Answer, man.
Hello?
Hey, sis.
What, sis?
Alright. Where you there?
You know somebody up the road?
You never get no phone from no string bean girl. Woman who look like string bean black. You see no woman give a phone from the
Me
woman
see one
sister.
girl on the roadside and me beg her a call and I take that the phone there sell me, I go sell it. I'm paying.
Sister, you really do that for true?
Yes, me
And
take
me
the
there,
phone and I go
defend
pay
you.
the rent. Me not have no other choice because me not work.
Hello, me want my phone.
Come off.
She better go find on my phone, you know.
Whoa.
Oh, my phone.
Well, here what?
Here what?
And me.
Give me a call.
No, hey, you think something I need you? Go find my sister and go beg her a call. Get a call from your phone.
Listen to me.
Me no
I can't
response.
just wait for her.
Me no response. Cause me is me and she is she.
Give me a call.
You're the idiot for walk off with stranger. Give phone to stranger and then walk off. You're the idiot.
Better you go and take up my
If you done me the business with this, I beg you come off my veranda for
Me nah go over there.
If I say the big dog, then can you?
Yeah, no one of her and you cannot pay your bill. So we cannot write that stuff.
I'm good here.
You could not figure. You say one nasty. Sorry. I think they are. What over this?
I want this now.
Madam, walk up for me there. Walk up nice and neat. Yes, come up here. My phone there. Cause you beg me a card and you gone with my phone. I don't understand. Where's my phone?
Me no know the phone last.
Yeah, on the phone. Yes, me hear your sister put up on speaker and you can say some phone.
So no did I one time my sister come?
Yes! Where my phone there?
Jesus
Where my phone there?
Christ.
I must say me cannot take, you know. Where my phone there?
Well, me no know it. I'm still relax. One of
Oh
them.
man, that wicked sister.
Say to me, you
Every
sell my
action
phone.
have a reaction.
So
You
one
know,
and then you go and left the phone like you don't want the phone. So what me fi do?
Me tell you, say me, I'm a peace for Friday and you have chat so long for me like free credit. So me go over the year, go check on peace and come back out. When me come back out, me say you not the phone.
So what that there do you?
She can't come show me because I live in a family. I know you live in a so where my phone there, girl? That there.
That's why I tell us a cockroach find everywhere.
A cockroach on there.
No,
Man.
me send
You
me
do bad, Lisa.
cockroach
send the phone. Me send the phone.
I want it. I want it. Oh God. No. You shame me, man. You shame me. What you do?
Yeah, out of her.
Yeah.
You know.
She out of order of it too.
Yeah, I'm out of her.
Yeah, true.
So me lend her my phone.
She thief. But even know say she did stay.
So anyways, like when you get back your phone and you beat up a girl, you can't give one 3 grand.
3 grand for what, me dear?
For me, care go find a
What's
girl.
your name again? Me not get your name the first time. What's your name?
Riri.
Really, me not have no 3 grand for you.
What you mean?
When we get money from figure you.
After me help
What you do? We help me. You help me beat a girl? No.
Yeah, me drop 2 lick, you just never
When me
see.
never that sick, I'm that fighter.
Well, at least me care go find her. So you must can give me something.
You know the best thing you do? I take a little time and walk, go to your yard.
I serious.
Cause you would want me with my fingernail clip and crop your face, girl. You better go on up your yard. I don't know long time. I don't care. You better walk up yourself. But
people.
So you help me find the girl and take my phone. You think I'm figure 3 grand?
Yeah. Me work, me deserve it.
You better go look at work. Yeah, how much a matter of fact? Your party if you put up in the hand, you just straight on the road, so.
We out this half us.
No, little girl. So she helped me go find one girl with teeth my phone, right? She asked me to give her $3,000. Be hungry.
Then somebody take your phone and somebody follow you, go get it back. And the phone value how much?
I don't know, 40 grand for them a phone, yeah.
And you couldn't give the person even 6 grand?
Sure.
You couldn't have no phone now.
Hello, and every time in our life, when people help, you must pay people. Don't even help people with a willing heart.
Alright, you tell me I go on more willing heart. You tell me I go on more willing heart, yeah?
And me end that hurt me. Me say, out to say no. Out to say me sit down and catch a cold breeze me while the pizza on the fire. And she come and say she want a call. So me give her a call. Me give the woman a call and say she had chat too long, so me end up go over yard. When me go over yard and now, and come back up, me no see her. Me look up, me look down, me see her, me go up the road. Me no see her, me look up at the little girl. She must be named Riri. Look up at her, she say she know where she can. Me go over that her sister over there. And her sister call her on video, call her, put it on speaker, and me hear when she say she sell me phone. She say she come, she say, give me phone, she me beat her over there.
You're not afraid about jail?
Which jail? Oh, tell if you come poof up me and take my phone. So you not cook no food right now, me hungry.
If me not cook no food, me think you have peace pan for your bun up.
Oh, me please, Jesus.
Yes! Your backside, yo.
I just show the clothes peg them down on the floor.
I can't bother with this.
All the clothes peg them broke and
Sis. You know say you're wicked though?
me a wicked and you
Yes,
teach
you're
the girl
wicked,
phone.
you're wicked. Imagine me. Look how you girl them do with me. And you not even try to help me. You call me. Imagine say.
Me tell you, say,
wicked.
every action have a reaction.
Me can't come from the same mother.
We really can't come from the same grandpa. Because me I defend you like any damn idiot in this. Already, that's why the phone and speaker come and shame the girl. Because me know my sister no thief. So me put it on speaker because me know say when me phone and then shame the girl. When you say no, nothing no go, so I'm ready to deal with her. And the door hold me up when you say yes, you thief the phone, go sell it to Ross. You don't know what to do.
So then that's why you never have it on speaker.
Me have it on speaker because
anything
my sister is not a thief. So me I go prove a pint to the dirty girl them. Our landlord daughter, she a push up. And you let down, man.
I tell you, come like you set up the girl and beat me.
You let me down to see if you never thief the girl thing.
And you tell them to beat me. And you tell them to beat me.
If you never thief, none of this would have happened. And now you still not make no money for the rent. Huh?
Oh, you mean something about the money for
you
the
make
rent?
the money?
Yes.
Okay.
So no money.
So we are going to do with that then?
Money when me sell the phone. I have it. To pay for you ready. I hit me say me I got here.
And that's what I want to pay for the rent, you know. I don't want no thieving money.
So
why
with
my money? A thieving money.
Thieving money is honest money. Then if people them pay me money for your phone, you know honest never.
The thieving phone, him not say my accessory
again.
Me don't want come no accessory.
Convince so. What do you?
And what do you? Mama and daddy never raised me so girl.
I must name out you, but yeah what?
Me a Gemini, I'm proud of it because my mother.
No, I hear press month your man. ban. April the month you ban.
them not raised with
Can't
some
food you
man.
ban, pan.
Thief people
No,
born.
me, you can't
You need
never
to
be
get
there,
a
man.
job, Lisa, or start a business, make some legit money, man. To God, you shame me, man.
You know what?
Finger
You know what?
stink.
You know what? Alright. Stop the cussing. You know what? Me I go look at work. You see, if you stop you from cuss and go on and disrespect me and go on, and then now, if you go set up girl, if you go beat me again, me I go
Me
look
not
at work.
set up nothing, but at that moment here. You gonna look the work for true?
Yes, me I go look at
Honest
work. Me
work,
I go look at work.
sister. Honest work.
So,
or business
every work
or something.
honest. Me I go look at work. It doesn't matter.
Do not
Every
turn
work
Mary
honest.
Madeline
Me
into
never tell her
this.
say me I go look at thief it work, but me I go look at work.
Me no want no illegitimate money come here to pay the bills. If you make illegitimate money out there, sir, you know what you have to do with it. But bring honest money in here to pay the
You
bills.
know, say my sister, I love you, but sometimes me just, sometimes me not even know me think both you do with you.
Yeah, you and me both. That's my sister for both. I think alike. Look at honest work, man.
Go on in my house. Me I go look at work.
All right, I want good. Honest money. No thieving money with police
I'll
and
go
y'all
down
come
and
beat
go
you.
and pray for me.
Make nobody beat you up on the road.
Yeah, because you go call him and tell him to reach. Sir, you don't know no one from can get away. So we are spinning rules so far like me ask you something bad. Yes, are you me talk to?
Repeat what you just said.
Me say if you don't know no one, me can't get at work.
It sound proper to you what you just said to me?
Of course it's on okay. Good day, sir.
Nice. You have sense now. You have sense. You finally come back to the earth. Welcome to the earth. Bravo. Yes.
So what's so good about today that me have to tell a good
You
day?
have manners to people.
That a common answer. Cool. That common courtesy. Answer me if you answer me. You don't know when me can get at work?
Work.
Yeah, me want to work. If me not get at work,
The Chinese them full still, so they don't really want no workers. And nowadays people don't want iron on fat people because they say they move so slow.
Jesus Christ. So what? Fi be fat a crime?
I know me.
Alright, you are called disrespect me now.
No, it's not me. You mad? Me give anybody work, me not afraid.
You don't say you are come disrespect me now.
You could have big like a Rosalie, I don't care. I give everybody work. Everybody deserves to work.
Me big and fat, but me not so hard way. You smell me?
At least you walk a look work.
You smell me? You smell me?
Nobody go there, so.
Oh, so where you going so far?
Because if me 50 million, where's it now?
Me need a work. Me desperately become like cool kid right now. Me just well want to work.
Yeah, no. I will give you a work tomorrow, but no. You have to bring no ID, no TRN.
Well, me not have none of them there. Me no know names so.
How much?
25.
Me blow. And what you do for the earth, mama? You're 25 and you're nothing for government?
No, me no know.
Government to find people like a UNO. People like a UNO government to take up.
And do what?
Go throw them somewhere for our island.
But Lord Jesus Christ, it's a destruction. I can't stop this time and for today.
ID.
When you, let me see it.
ID, see it. No, you know.
Well, me don't know a name, so.
Anyway, check it tomorrow. Up next up.
Idea for people who can read and write. Me can't read and write.
Check my 5 bamboo sheet tomorrow. Yeah, let's check that now.
Which part?
Right to 5 bamboo sheet, so let's check that now. Because a while ago, my niece called it, a while ago, why? She fool your fat. Left a pot of piece on fire, they burn up.
It's alright. Worry yourself for this year, this me and that quiet too. Me can't read and write, but it's alright.
What is? How are you when you turn landlord? What you doing here, little girl?
Me come for the money now.
Which man? No, sir.
Listen to me now. My father gone and he said to come for the money, so the money.
No go so. Me talk to the monkey. Me not deal with the organ.
So where then? Hey, you know sister me tell us that so.
So you not see me a sweep?
I am sweep. Why
You not see me a sweep out the rubbish? What that tell you say? What that makes you?
Sorry, we shall call me.
Damn rubbish.
I know what it is.
Yeah. Well, go on. Oh.
Beg your car, please.
Oh, you idiot. Me know you. Don't do that. If you have manners. I know you.
Beg your car,
I want to take a
please.
reg. Hold on. I want to take a reg. I some chat to you.
Beg your car.
Where else you know?
Me beg your car.
You don't have phone?
If you did have credit, Panny, you would think me would beg your car. If you did have credit, you think would beg your car.
Yeah, how much?
Sir.
Me ask you a question.
Give me a call, let me call one, make one quick call.
Yeah, how much?
Sure.
Yeah, how much? How old are you, young miss?
Me a big woman.
What you call big woman?
Me 21.
21. Hello? 21?
Yeah. Alright, since you not give me a call, beg your children and go buy one credit.
God? What do my young girl do in life? All them to stop on road and beg man call and beg man money. You know nothing better to do in their life?
No.
Damn beg.
Nope. Begging is my light, my salvation. Everything I beg. Be a beg me beg. Me just beg like me blind.
You think say your mouth and your front is enough to do?
Yes.
You have to make your hand
I
work.
bat it too, if you want it there, so. I drew up my damn make.
Me believe your car around your body part look like shit stain in it.
Look, I went with it slow right there, so.
But when you sit down out there, say, no blame me because I can't smell it. See fly, ginger fly, I follow you.
Where? Find them way, not find them way.
You come and beg me call. Hello?
Actually, I have one little idiot girl on the phone. You see, uno man, I saw no come and roll, come go on.
Don't you ginger fly,
Remember
girl?
say did look me other day, but I
Call
tell you,
nobody.
get on the phone. Eh? Don't worry yourself. Me must back you.
Kayla not want nothing on your other backside. For lick down the cranny body, girl. Alright. You wait.
Why?
Hello,
Oh God.
Mary, how are you?
Jesus, me tired. Beg your call, please.
Huh?
Beg your call.
Oh, me not have no
Come on, emergency. Me need
Me
to
not
call
have
my
phone.
father.
Me have phone on your pan charge, girl. Me not want the TV again. So I plug in the other yard. Pan charge, you want to call for?
I want to call my father.
Come on, you want so?
Emergency, so happen.
What happened?
I can't tell you that. I not even tell my father that I want me to tell you what
Tell
happened.
me what happened.
No. Oh God.
Breathe, Lord.
No.
Me did walk.
No.
I breathe, breathe,
No,
go,
I
Lord,
don't.
God.
No, I'm tired. I'm chest before I touch button my belly.
Oh.
You don't know what I say?
You thief something.
No, me not thief nothing. Let me tell you what happened then. Since you so I know. You don't know what I say? Me go over you go over the thief your phone?
Yes,
Yeah, me go over yard. Go beat him up.
Stop.
And his sister they tell him say, ball like your arm. Your back a hot, your ball like your back a hot. So the sister, the rasta dry head.
Monkey looking woman. You know what happened now? Yes. You know what happened now? You go over there and then who your father rent. Yes. And you go over there and beat the girl. And like you beat the girl now, them a say the rent pay because you beat her. If I didn't mean would have said that. But what you say? Me nah no phone, me nah no credit, me nah no me phone on your pan charge, so me can't get a call. Me take your call. Last time I get somebody calling guy with my phone, so later girl. Where you go? Where you go, girl? Where you go? The call. The call? The call? Where you go with the call? My dear I don't understand. How are this man? You don't understand. Come tell them you need to call my father. You say you plug in the phone down a yard. So they come down a yard to come get the car. Oh. So come on. I'm gonna talk to my uncle. I'll come back. Uncle, what one?
You know what?
Yeah, mama, me tell say she did follow me go make the girl give me back my phone, man. Me figure the tree, you know.
I want your uncle for me. You know.
What do I?
She disrespect me.
I never disrespect. I beg your uncle a call. If you hear how your uncle deal with me down here. But me want for thief. But me want thief in phone. Me want thief for thief. No, man, me explain to you. You see me uncle now, he mean. You not even can get a salt from him.
How you call me?
You know what I mean?
Who you calling me? Me mean?
Yeah.
The amount of money you owe me. You
Uncle.
calling me?
Me remember when mama dead, you know. And they asked if you buy a little liquor. Liquor was sell at supermarket for 2,500 and you don't even buy one. And you didn't have the money, because at the night, me see a go-go club.
Me not support rum. And you can't buy liquor for people come drink it free like a them. You see people like them, yeah? You cannot have liquor to feed them.
Meditate some more on that liquor. Where you buy? You did clean from the back for me?
Yeah, no problem there.
Good. Me come go over here now and come back to Tom Porter so and wait. Me know you come over me here and thief not nobody. Me not thief no. Yeah, partner our family.
Who? She left on it one. Every room, wake up no rules. Every fall have them rules, yeah?
Well,
you can't see
every foul don't have every rules. Cause listen to me.
Me never say every. Me say every foul have their own rules.
Rules? What do you mean by rules?
Tell the girl to get up off of me seat now. Tell the girl.
You say it big enough.
You can sit down over there, so.
I sit over there so for the black girl. Me I go for the phone. What do you mean by every foul have his rules? Sit down. Me soon come back.
Oh, see. Oh, you're really there?
Your sister your niece take so long though. Jesus.
So you never tell me, say me and this are gonna meet, you are gonna meet up here, so? What should I do, yes?
I don't miss you there to win.
Anyway, me don't come by you. Me never did nobody.
I don't miss you there to win.
Both.
It work. Legit.
This a thieving girl.
Which thieving girl? No, the girl I
She a thieving and she a thieving his phone.
She a look work. I'm like that.
And she a thief, I don't mean.
You can't know them serious joke there.
Come and say you're idiot.
Look like I said this girl want me beat her.
Be yourself. Be yourself. Be yourself. Be yourself. Be yourself.
I want one of yourself. I want one yourself.
Parky fight.
Hey! Let me fight you, man. Hello. I want one yourself.
Is that right?
This thieving girl come up here and chop me. I'm gonna see this girl. It's thieving girl.
Yeah, we all know.
What? Take off all my shoes, girl.
Where you go?
It's thieving.
Because I take off all my shoes.
Tell your uncle
We all do.
With what?
You obviously can't park them.
Who, me?
She a thief.
You know, you want to people who are going
You're a big man. You could park them and top out your support food and text girl. Yeah, the next one. That's a real see. And what you do, person?
Let me talk to them.
I'm a phone that come for thief again. I come for look at another phone for thief.
Jesus Christ, another destruction. Listen, after one time your uncle,
Yeah.
what you saying be? Tell me if you come up as a con link him.
Me can't see him. You go and talk
For work. Say I'm gonna get work, give me some look for my ID and my TRN and them something. So now me come up here now.
Yeah.
And this a flea bag and me come back up here.
Okay. Watch out! Don't be fighting! I don't like her! She don't stop calling me name! Every time! You see what say Kayla? Why you tell her? Stop the fighting! Why you reach up as a win man?
No walk you out.
Hello?
Idiot girl.
You see you know?
Hello, you come here, son.
I don't.
You go ahead, yard. Watch out! Don't be fighting!
Me kill him.
Hello!
You know what?
You look this. Me never come to you again. I never come to you.
Hey girl.
You?
When I
You know what?
am I
I'm
bossy?
gonna survive you today.
Hello!
I'm gonna deal with this.
You know.
You're in there too.
You're in there too.
Oh, me, you know.
You don't tell them, man.
on phone.
You don't say this to you. You want to look nasty, dirty.
How about me, sir?
You want crosses. Dirty, nasty, drunk crow. After I tell you, tell me, say. Me if you come up here, sir.
No, sir.
Me never know say I set up, girls go warm.
No, sir.
Me set up, girl.
Oh, so this is work where you have to give me.
Me don't know no
What
girl.
on there? Where's the man your work?
Work. Yes,
The
work.
only work him give people off for sell on the bridge. So which work you apply for?
Lord Jesus Christ, you don't know.
And what kind of work you have she?
You chat to me.
Oh, you, I want to hear about me. Yes, I'm a sell pum pum.
You better than sit down.
God.
Me know what? Hey, me did tell us someone I'm whole for church out.
Mama, we still never see church out.
You know, say you, yes, me say, yes,
you
nothing
know-
but a cockroach.
You chat-
Hello. Slime. All flea
Don't
bag,
start
dirty,
with me.
nasty boy. Eh? But,
I'm here, God, I'm
it's
so.
alright.
I'm here, God, I'm so.
I will never ever see you nowhere and deal with all you. Mr. Nobody.
Madam, in no work a give you kindly go on home, cause in no work a give way. Me sorry for the beat up where you get, but no work now give person. If you need a job, you don't need to begin the job, you go on the bridge.
Just up on my left me yard. Good, you know. I call up here, so you know. Eh? I look there now. Look on me now.
Me dear, you are gonna leave your
But
slippers.
just up on left me yard. Good.
I'm me a cuss.
I bet,
I'm me you a cuss.
you know, so me I go make somebody bust your face. I make somebody bust your face.
Go make somebody bust your
Yo.
face.
Can you use a little, you?
Hey, tell
So go make somebody bust your face, uncle. Bust that, make somebody bust your face.
This me say something talk to my daughter.
This is what can I say? It's alright. No worry yourself. Long run, short catch. Remember that.
Short catch for your bumper, eh?
What do you mean?
You know, she say, the man wanna fly like, what am I flying for?
You know, sister, probably call me the plan to call ambulance.
For who?
Not for one of them.
It's to me.
But me I go talk to them now.
It's to me now. Anyways, me I can't go over yard, go lie down, cause we go for the phone to give the girl a car, but she gone. But them a fight.
I they want the ticker sit down pan her, you see.
No, it tickers can't fight, you know. Me realize I say tickers can't fight. The tickers shall push him and push him with the ass. Me don't know why I have the ass for. If I did me a big bumper there,
Oh,
bounce
no.
her with it.
Oh no.
What happened?
You can take your years, span up of years before you can have them the bumper there.
And
You're
that's what-
foreign alone, take what the whole of the bumper, go on.
You couldn't argue with she would want to argue with me. That's why she said she gonna make somebody
Jaga,
bust
you
up her face. Dinosaur balls!
Oh, you call me!
Sis,
You get work already?
get work.
How
You
is it
mean
now?
say I get some beaten up here?
What happened?
Me say me go up the road after one time me see this man on the road and ask him what he. If he no know no work they argue.
Yeah, you did tell me.
Yes, the man said I must link him. No, me go see the man, me go see the landlord. For your landlord, not mine.
Oh,
So
that
daughter up there again.
Lord, what a judgment.
So it look like I said the man set up her to come fight me, have come beat me. No, me go up there, imagine. One piece of fight?
For what?
Lord.
You not fight over the man?
How me for know?
You gonna fight over the man?
Fight over which man?
So what the fight? One person can't fight.
You know, say no true, me love man. Yeah, go take me for one something now. Not because me love man. Don't do it.
So what was the fight for? One person can't fight. So what was the fight
for?
Rent? How?
She just jump up in a me argument after one time me I tell the man say I me come out. I don't even similar.
Apart from that, so you get the job.
Get which
the man
job?
Give you the job.
Over bridge the man want carry me a bridge. Yes, bridge.
What is not this? A pimp that day? A selling one you for sell?
Yes.
Him know you then. I know that the type of work you say you want to do. Cause you have no education, you tell me. So you have education for man and man good education.
Mama never tell us I want garbage, sister. Me never tell us I want garbage.
I know that you want to do the landlord.
No, me can't take the 2, 3, 4, 5 man in a one night. Me can't manage that. Yes.
Okay.
Me a man, me and him go at Tab's place, location, me let off and me collect and go.
Okay, and that alone I go pay.
How
you love money? How you love money, so check it, check the maths.
You ever see them look?
You can get horse, dead, cow, fat, and then still come back fat. A good job for you, man. Well, I shall say, you know, no education.
I want to come like the machine. The
yes, open up like
you just go in and you draw where you draw and you take where you take and you go.
So you take the job?
Don't play with Mr. Ruff. Don't play with Mr. Ruff.
Oh God, and you cannot lose the weight with the rumpy pumpy. Active up yourself and get the thing that the doctor order. You gotta do the work, man.
Me not do it. Don't play with me.
Oh, you love body so. You get the perfect girl that can do it.
Come here.
It look like say you're not gonna look work, you know.
And again, see information, I look like call you a class by fat enough. If me do you want to lose weight, but I run up and down around the yard.
Well, I know that me see I do. I run one at teeth people phone and I run fan lick. So you might as well run fan body too.
You know, say you draw me out, sister. You draw me out, you know. You draw me out.
I'm only going by what you say.
You tell us I like play. Me don't like play.
You want to get man education. Y'all get agent. Agent that I can give you pay. You don't even have to work hard. All you have to do is up on your back. Make them rumpy pumpy. And you collect. And everybody happy. You want to, can't get it, no want it.
What am I going to do now?
Go look work, which is what you're supposed to do.
Try that every way possible.
Try, don't succeed.
See how all the piss pot did so see away from money. You know, nasty. So go take you up, man. I left out of my business. Me go on the road. I feel on the road.
Me love you, but me stop change your pampers long time. Me no feel me fi change your blood piss too. Go empty that there. Blood up in it, man. Come, man. And I think out the veranda.
Don't worry yourself.
You're lucky so the landlord give you a little
time. I have time for that.
Why? What a thing yesterday. I'm sorry about that.
Why? Sis, I don't know. But it come like I say my band for beating.
Well, it'll teach you a lesson. Ancestors will teach you a lesson. It's not too late to change your ways.
Sis, but me tell you, I don't have no education. Me can't read, me can't write, me don't know. Me just feel like any work me get, me I go feel and me nah go. You know, that kind of way, I don't know much big words, you know, because I never go to school and then something that you know.
You're more than confident. You have to listen to positive things in the morning.
Agree.
And get the confidence.
Me and just me, sis. Me just feel like me and just me.
Me would even back you if you say you want to go back to school, you know, night class. But do something positive. That's what the ancestors are going to teach you. If you take a lesson out of everything. Yeah, man. I'm talking about taking positive out of everything. You see that they beating you get yesterday? We have to turn around and make positive out of it. That's how we now going to pay the rent this month. And we're going to make him ball and beg we not to pay the rent.
Right. So,
You see that beating you get yesterday? Thank you, God, nothing really done you. You see, when they come, I go come for your rent for them rent cause dirty girl. You see when they come, and that the time you feel holla and ball. And anything me say, just follow my lead. Anything, just follow my lead. Anything you say, you holla and ball. Holla and ball. Let me read, and I want to take over that sweet time. Watch how we season man now. Aye. It's who?
boy.
It's who?
Oh, God, doctor.
Oh!
Boy.
Oh! Hello. Good day.
Charmaine, good morning.
Good morning. It's you I want to see.
Yes, I come to the red now.
Okay. Stick up in just 1 minute. FYI. Before you ask for the rent, ask your daughter about the doctor and hospital bill me have to bring my sister to yesterday. Cause your daughter come and beat up my sister, take 2 broomsticks and come with machete and everything to beat my sister. And she lick up my sister. And a hospital, me have to take my sister right now. My sister in there ball in the bed, bandage up. Me still fi take her for next x-ray. So, why?
Daddy, my sister walk on the road chung yesterday after I in me just come over here and tell them to clear me from part of the yard. And you're an idiot if I believe them.
When the go on the day. So you mean to tell me say you're a big strong sister, like my little daughter.
Me not tell you say she come with weapon of destruction.
Daddy, what
All
we get
machete
machete
she
from?
come with.
So which part you did then?
Me break up the fight if it wasn't for that you'd see blood and everything everywhere. And me come break up the fight.
I lie them a tell, cause I see your sister they take man good power road yesterday. After the incident happened. And that they don't say they have no sense neither. Because you give them, you rent them wall house, right? Yes, I left with the board house. You see every time rain fall, water flood out the whole line of the board house. And that's what should I give them?
You know so that already. I'm gonna tell her say it costs more for a wall house. You know, sense of a girl. Tap a lies, man.
But I be a whole in
the
the
argument. Alright. Tell her.
Then, if it costs more, gotta go tap up, go up on the rooftop and tap up.
I know you one can load up, you know.
Me don't hear no from your woman, you're wicked and lie.
Come here and show them because they might be some girl. I load up her mouth. Because me want to know, say, if
Daddy, I would be a real ass.
Oh, we don't go police station. I true me did I take my sister.
Alright, come to a police
We not go police station. We not deal with the walking, I deal with the organ grinder, little girl.
Look,
lie. My sister dead. Look how strong she, look how much weight she lose since yesterday. The weight just a drop off her.
Daddy, come to hospital. Come here, I got
No, you the wicked man. Only
look
true
how wicked woman.
One girl.
only true you know. Me no go police it, you know. And you is a good man. But you see, if it was you down to your daughter,
Me say you can't go police station because you know say I actually no one pay rent. Daddy, you would be a real idiot.
I don't like Kana. You know, a sensible girl.
And you don't know sense, I believe them, Daddy.
Alright, you see, I've had the problem with Dr. Bill because I'm not paying no Dr. Bill. As a matter of fact, I don't know if I believe you or I don't believe you. But you see, because I don't like problem. Anything you pay as Dr. Bill, just call it as last month rent. So this month I'm still doing, and soon come back for that.
well,
Yeah, man.
when we do the x-ray, we'll see what the difference is and work that out.
Yeah.
I'm going to take her for the x-ray.
No, the difference is,
prescription.
I'm going to say you owe me, you know, so no.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So have a nice
We'll
day.
be fair. Well, thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.
Come on. Where are you?
Hey, you know, look, sis. You good?
Yeah, me okay.
Hi. What are your plans for today?
But this day I play my game.
Alright. Listen, you see the plot we did do? Your injury, when pay the rent, it's not going to work for long. So, you need to find some way to
Me
bring
know
something
see
in.
something you come with again.
Listen, me ain't no argument.
Me just know see something you come with again.
Will it work for 1 month? How long you think it's gonna work for? Especially you're sitting out here, good. What if him and Renka's daughter walk past?
You know say I'm a sister and sometimes I just you know what sis? Leave me alone.
Leave you alone?
Yeah, leave me alone.
Leave you alone when rent to pay. Leave you alone when bills to pay. House bill to pay. Light to pay. Water to pay.
You know
And
say one
how
of the
you love run up the...
sis. You know say one of the worst thing. I feel live together with one of your siblings. You don't believe me?
Our family at all. You try your mother put you out. You try your father put you out. You try your other sister, she put you out. Me take farm fool, so me put you in. Now me know why everybody put you out, man. It's not right, sis.
And you know say all your talk, you just love my company. You love
Which part? Me desperate, sir? And you come to me, say everybody in the family are talking. Your name stinking of the family. Me like fool say, make me take you in. But you have to go do something, man.
You set it up that way. You set me.
Yeah, me set up your ways. Me no business with that. All my business with
just
this
because
yes,
you want
sir.
me, yes, so with you.
Hold on to that. Other thing you need to hold on to is you need to get some kind of money coming in because it worked 1 month. Now go try it again for another month. But it's not gonna work for. So you need something coming in, man, and you need something coming in for you to find your own place.
Sis, me tell you already, I can't read and write.
So?
I don't have the education to go look no work.
So? You have education for go look man. You have education for get man by your phone. Use your common sense. Get rid of the nonsense.
You have education for get man.
Well, we get to the limit now, man. Do what you have to do. Come money have to come in. You have to find your own place and soon. But until then, you have to pay your half, man. It gone too far. You have to go up on the road to do something.
Sis, let me tell you something. I didn't forget the money today.
No, you're talking.
And I go up on the road to save my kitty. Yeah.
All right. A good money?
Good money.
All right. And that you should have said from the start. But remember, when you go up on the road, you have to go double look. And anyhow you see Davia in Ranker's picnic, remember for ball out. Remember for ball out and holler out.
That way I'm going to do.
All right, so look around every corner.
So in the meantime, I'm going to see if we get the money here, so we can pay for every 2 months.
That me love. We still are going to try journaling, We still are going to journaling for as long as we can.
We're going to do
but
that.
It's better to have it there just in case. All right, sister. That me love. Walk good here.
Yeah, man. All
right. Walk good.
Soon come.
Wow, these are tickers.
Anyway, later, I soon call you back. Yes, sir. But like how you can me out the other day.
No, true, me never the boat. I don't really can. Me never the boat. What dear?
You won't come with no. Are that a mind tell us to say?
No, I don't mind. Tell me.
But you look like that a mind tell us to say because you give me that comfort there to tell me say yes, you are gonna come link me and pay the rent and whatever, and you not come nowhere.
I do me feel like you're a con artist, so that's why me not come. Me not believe say the parent. And me can't see all pan phone and chat to. I go lay money and chat to, and then you want to come tell me to parent.
And my sister me attack.
Oh, so now that tell me how long. Cause you know
so why you assume me attack from my phone?
Cause me easy for jealous. And me go pay your rent.
Oh Lord, you make me blush. You make me all blush.
So, I waited there in the place.
Oh God.
You want to come show me, say, yeah, they pay rent for real?
Well, me willing for show you, because I'm sure.
Alright, come on.
Daddy,
What?
Daddy, you know, sir, me wonder if you could have give me one money. Cause a month, my monthly time, and I'm going to buy some things. Because I'm kind of short on things. So, but I don't know if you have no money, could have give me one $5,000 for go buy some things.
You know, so I could have give you one piece of money though, but you make me lose last month rent for the foolish where you go over there go fight after people them.
Daddy, yes, if you dumb one more time, you're too fool. You really believe in people them? You really believe them go over there go fight them
So
off?
you know see the woman a ball for your hand. You know see the woman a ball for your hand. I mean know you love war and tan.
Daddy, I lie them and tell the truth, they don't have the money to give you. And that's why I'm make up false news.
You don't believe that?
But, me not say nothing, you go see, cause you don't believe your own pitney. Me, I go on the road and come back.
No matter of fact, I will go check over there to for that anything.
Call me now. Come on now, what you say?
Hey, what?
Come, sis.
Me good, me good, me good.
Yeah, I come for ask. This is the man when me tell us you go help me with the rent.
Okay.
So, I want to ask you now, sis, no rent we pay?
Of course I rent your
Okay.
place. I
So
rent
you
this
see?
room.
Oh.
Right.
I need that
You
to
can't
come for
stop
believe.
judging me now.
Seeing is believing, so I need that to come for see for myself in believe.
Okay. I
Alright.
believe her,
Now you see for yourself.
So auntie,
Mhm.
how much you rent?
Why am I charge 45 for the rent?
Oh, she right.
45 I'm charging for the rent. But why? Things hard. But you're a good man. You're a good man. I want
Always,
to
man.
thank you.
Always.
I want to thank you. There's not many people who would do that.
So I am man this and
Good day everyone.
Good day.
Charlene, how are you?
I'm good. You?
Yeah, me alright man.
I never expect to see you today because I never expect to see you till next week.
Oh, just tell me and tell us say.
hold on, I get a call.
Just tell me and tell us say that next week you're in the one. You know, just make sure you have it and it look like yeah the movie me G.
No,
Service.
movie.
Oh,
That come with pay back.
Hold on. No. Anyway, you can't ask me that with my guests and talk.
True man, but
like
yes,
that.
yes, like how you have guess me Charlene. I hear me here and I don't really know how accurate it is, but like it in a contract, you know, like if you start bringing over guest rent, I forgot raise.
So me can't have nobody come visit me.
Yeah, of course you can
Well,
have.
that is what this gentleman is
Of
doing.
course you can have people come visit you, but of course you go have to pay one fine. Hold on, I'm the client then say listen.
Fine.
So
What
I
is?
say now, I want to look at extra. Little 10,000 go off to go for the rent.
But see, you mad? You drop and lick your head.
You never read the contract before
You see no bags?
It doesn't matter, you should have read what you signed.
My friend, are you living here or you have your own place?
You have no other place, auntie.
Thank you, Daddy. You see what kind of landlord we have to deal with?
No man, they tell us to just read
I
the
must say loan we
contract.
pay back.
Just read the contract, because it depends on the fine print. Remember, say you put your signature in. So, me just tell you.
Me no see no bag and me no see no suitcase. So that means me can take you to court for breach then.
No.
Because that means on the equal opportunities, me and my sister who live here as tenants can have guests come in and come and visit
All
me.
of this is outlined in the contract where you put your signature on. It clearly states, thou shalt not have guests over unless there's a fine. The fine is subject to the
No, go
discretion
for that
of the-
contract. They go back for your contract
the
because
virtual
look
there in
here.
your email,
At least
you
my
can
sister
read
can
it.
read.
Well,
Me know me don't see no, me don't like that. Me
but
fool.
I just that me come to tell you still. So all is well, not true.
It has come to Crossing Way. Yes, man, all is well.
Alright, all is well with you, right?
What do you?
Yeah, man.
What do you? What one more you want?
I don't.
Jesus Christ.
So what do you know?
You lick her upon her sore hand.
So me lick her over 4 times. Cause I count, you know. And I really, when you start and point her off, she realize her
You
sore
just
hand.
never touch the spot.
I said spot, me touch
No, you
4
touch
times.
it right.
No, and not the said spot you touch. You lick all over. I mean, I want to be something and I wonder what you do. If I like you like my sister.
You know something I go on and say, and you get to the base of it.
I like you like my
Believe me,
sister,
you
you know.
find out what I go on.
I like you like my sister.
Some line of this. Some line of this.
Something like this. I like you like her or what, but she don't want you.
Oh. So I that you know I do, and I can me. We just see something in front of me 2 eyes, you know. No can artist.
What kind of
No,
canal?
what kind of canal is?
Yeah.
Ow! Mr. Him daughter come up here, come give me a beat.
Yes, I was
here,
here
you
when
see?
she beat her.
You should have day up here.
I may have to take the
My
stick. If you look
God.
around the corner, you see the
She
stick
beat me,
same way.
she beat me till nothing no left.
Oh.
No, man. Well, you see the kind of
And
landlord.
my sister have a
But
ball.
leave me back to you yet. Cause tomorrow come
Right now we
here.
can't move from here, so.
Boy, try, sister. The exercise
So
will
she
help.
beat it till nothing left and you still kick.
Come, we'll go on the road.
You could imagine how
I never see
before.
no flesh no left from my body. Till no left, she could have beat me no more. And broomstick broken at two.
That's true.
God, come on.
Well, nice to meet you. No, walk good. Blessings,
Let's not go
blessings.
on the road.
All right, walk good.
Oh, what's up? Kayla,
Margarita,
what, man?
you there? You good?
Yeah, me alright. So, you know, say, me glad me see you. You know, no money you can lend me.
No, me dear. And I have not even a dollar.
That's something important more to do with.
Also important when you want money, Riri. Not for your young year, that's not important.
Something happen.
What happened?
Eh?
Yeah, breed.
No.
Oh.
And I breed me a breed. That's something else.
What?
Can't tell you.
Riri, analyze somebody and want money to pay hitman.
No.
What happened then?
Me don't really want to talk about it.
What I want to talk about? So you want to get any money? Me, no, sir. You want my money if you borrow, you can't tell me what you're going to use it do. What you want the money to do?
You don't even know me I use it. You can't
What you want the money to do?
Me can't tell you.
You have to tell me something if me have the money.
It not really matter what amount you want, but make sure I say I'm more than 5 grand.
See what the money for go do, Riri?
Me can't tell you my business.
Why? Are you monthly?
No.
So you want money then?
Just give me the
Me
money.
no money can't give him. No.
And me can't even ask my father neither.
So, why can't I ask your father? Ask your father for money. Hey, your father is supposed to give you money. I call your mother. Where your mother there? Your mother there, your mother alive.
Me don't know, you know, she run away left way.
Well, me sorry
Me
for you then.
can't
Ask
call
your father.
ask my father. Him say, you remember the thick girl with the teeth of one?
Yeah.
Him said the girl a ball for him back and him hand about how me beat up the girl and nothing do the girl. Nothing do her.
Hey.
She a walk trong and she a take man trong. Not
Listen
a
to
thing
me.
you do her.
You too lie. The day you come for me see you. You say you just don't beat the girl over yard. When me out to me see you give the girl some go to hell lick. You just a fire be a lick so like say you a Karachi.
That's a long.
I
that's
am
a
ninja.
before.
And I said one day you beat the girl 2 times. Can you tell me say you just don't beat her? You go over yard and
We
you just
never
don't
give
beat
her no
her.
major lick. It look
Say
like
she
a
a ball
major.
for any part of her body, it is right at your fault. We
I
go over
true she no want pay the bill, the rent money. I rent money she no want pay. She a make up excuse and her look a loggerhead sister. The look a
Well,
black something.
if no part of her body are hurt her, your father is responsible for that.
Well,
But anyways,
no part of her now.
me have one look $100 US. I
Yeah.
say me that go change and put in my account
Yeah.
because my account we have to save up my little money because me a plan for something big. So me I go lend it, but you have to give me $3,000 more penny. I say give me money back now.
No worry yourself. A $5,000 more me I put funny.
make sure say you give me back my money.
You don't give it back. How
Come
will you
in here,
want it
fill
back?
the money, you know. You can't give me back all.
Next month?
Yeah, idiot. In next 2 weeks from now, or the day after tomorrow, or next 3 days from now, you give me back my money.
Alright.
Hello? Member say, me and you no friend like that, you know.
Yeah.
But read my lips them properly. Make sure so you bring back my money with interest. If you not bring back my money, you go see something. You are go see something. You go
God
see you
bless
go
you.
put your hand, you go see how water got pumpkin belly when me done with the ain't no care about my money. You hear me say?
God
Walk
bless
good.
you. Thank you.
Walk good with the money.
Me go walk good.
Can you say I put the money in my account?
Yeah.
And in my account, I could have go put the money, but me give you it.
That's true.
Me just say care about my money.
So like how you come on your yard and you say rent you pay for real. You just say you know. So you will pay the money for the rent. Cause I believe in you know. I say prove.
So me there for carry gun my hand for you to prove.
Yeah, eventually.
Yes. Yes. Like say. Think you they walk for your back and they walk a come up.
So hold on, take your filthy hand.
You feel they walk hold your back and I walk a come. You cannot hold your back and I walk a come up. Yeah, you know. You little map head woman. Make me father not give
No,
me
at
no
least
money.
not sweep your floor.
It not start yet. It is in process.
Process to do what?
Eh?
Process to do
You
what?
and my father not give me no money. Cause you are a liar, loggerhead sister. Wanna be? Eh? Make me mad, my father not give me no money. See that? A good thing, say. Me did walk come out on the road, right?
I don't know why.
A good thing, say me did walk come out on the road, right? A good thing, say me did walk come out on the road. Me would get the little money.
Just go on. Just go on.
You want this big head, loggerhead. Sorry, let me pass you, come on.
Just go on and avoid me. Avoid me.
Oh. So like how you say you want to rent the place in. I don't really not much to know. But at least this can help me something. I like
So hold on there. So you know they promise me if you pay the whole of the rent one time.
but coupon you too. Yeah,
What do you mean by coupon me too? That's why you have to make me in a business so the whole of it can't pay.
Even my baby mother, me not give a yard, with a yard 40 grand. We are wash, cook and clean for me. And you want me give 40
When
grand?
me in a business, they say woman a road get more and with woman a yard.
No,
so me in a business so me can get with more and with
you
woman
hold
a
on
yard.
upon this. Appreciate it.
Me I go take you, know.
Help parents.
Me I go take you, but
You know, say you look ungrateful.
like you. Like you.
Let her up one before me take my
Like
money.
you. You go on, go on. You know, say,
Go
go
on before
on.
me take my
Me
money.
never go nowhere with you. Matter of fact, me I go cry and so go look for my for you.
Ungrateful. Rich. Me not give my girl a yard 40 grand. We are wash, cook, clean everything for me. And you want 40 grand. You not come from planet Earth.
Action. So me shall buy. Get there. Give me sick gun in my body. What's that? Yeah, tell me some last $100 US. I have to give back ink. Don't say you're mad. Hey.
This is
Sis,
how you come from?
me go down the lane, go check my see. And I get nothing.
No.
You did hear about a house
We
key?
like salt.
Me no know. Me no know.
How will we do so?
Me no know, but me have to
I wonder
keep
if they will be
trying.
away.
No bother with that.
God.
Cause the mind is the biggest obstacle and the mind is the
True.
biggest relief.
That is true. But here, you know, say, do you give me part time money? I don't know, I'm big still. I just little something.
The brown
And
notes?
yes, TB and everything me get though.
Still.
But you know, I just look at something. Me get half of it.
Wow, sis.
Give me my money. Give me my money.
Why you flip me
Give
sister
away
for?
money. I forgot me for you.
Girl.
No, come take it.
Girl.
Come take it.
Girl,
sis.
a while ago, me and you turn around and start argue, and you see me with me fight, me fit me $100 US, right? By the time
Me
if
see you
reach
with
them-
your $100 US.
I might take the $2 out here. By the time if
And
you
I'm a
reach,
dead mama.
Hold on.
by the time if you reach down the road, we gonna change the money.
Me
Me
can't
can't
put up my
find it.
phone.
So
This
where
is
I get it
Money,
from?
sis.
And
me,
my
I go want
money.
to come take it. Sis, what is?
It's her money.
This is the money when me get fat. I don't thief nothing for her.
Tibby.
I don't know nothing
See, where
about
you
this
get
a
money
little
from?
nasty slime.
Okay.
Where you see yourself.
Okay.
So you
I
take that
trouble,
from
I
me.
trouble you come look.
I know what you're
I
saying.
trouble you, I come look.
Crayfish brain.
Eh?
You think
Eh?
that will go
I
so?
trouble you, I come
this
look.
little cranny.
You come look to the wrong
Why
person.
you
now,
ever
little girl.
appear in my
Go
life?
ahead,
You
man.
want-
Go ahead.
You
This
want
is a
what?
big people
Give me
argument.
money. Can you know say sister to me there? Me
Which
mommy.
part?
Just like how she
A
think it
$100 in
You
this. A
remember?
$100 in the
US
world.
there, eh?
You remember when she did thief
Sis.
the girl phone and you did swear
Sis.
upon your head?
Come
Say
here.
never she.
Beat her.
Beat who?
You
Come
girl.
on to this.
Beat
Come
who?
on.
Come
Go
on.
on. Go on. Go
Boy, kick her down.
You know, guess
Hit down that sis. Boy, girl, hey, go to your yard.
You think
Don't
you
see
bad,
like you
come
think I say go all the
take it.
time.
Oi.
Think I like when they come broke my stick cross my back, girl. Go ahead.
Hey, sis, rub this on your foot, right? We have another plan. Dirty brute. 1 month rent for that, and 6 months rent for that. Walk
Me a
on her.
walk on.
Walk on her. Come, sis. Let me help you. Walk on her. Walk on her.
Want you.
and then beat me up
Which one?
again.
Where?
Me back.
What am I gonna do to what
And
happened?
then take me money. They take me money.
Which
I'm
money that?
telling them to give me back money and then I give me.
So you know just if you had and ask me for money, where you get money from?
Me borrow it from a friend. $100 US and want me money.
You sure see you borrow from a friend?
Yes,
You
I'm
sure see no
sure.
money you have? You sure?
Let me have no man.
$100 so how you plan to get back $100
Me
now?
not, when you give me money, me see her up here and give her it back.
So what you could have want to do with so much money?
Then if me tell you I'm gonna buy some things. The things are expensive.
Alright, you see before I go over there and put myself in no problem with the tenant there. Carry me to a girl where you borrow money from.
Come on, let me show you.
Come on, man. Sick and tired of you. Me alone as one single father and every man you come and put yourself in a problem. Yeah, you better hope till you tell me no. So you not borrow no money from nobody, you know, cause me not help you pay back that. You better go work and pay back that. Me not help you. Come on. Oh, you make me pass people from here. You know what I'm saying?
And it's really hard. You might have to see how fast you again. Kayla! Kayla! Yeah? Come here!
That's about time. Girl, that's so quick. You can't back your money.
No.
Hello, who is this? Are you mind this a girl?
No, my father.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Tell him say lend me money. You know you lend me money.
Yeah.
How much money you lend her? How much money you lend her?
100 US. Uno come bring it back
Oh,
with interest at
Oh.
20,000.
you're lucky.
20,000.
You're lucky.
No, I bring it back.
You better bring my money. So when my money they know, so we bring it for the come here because
Never
no money.
another time for you to get back your money.
Hello, your daughter borrow $15,000 from me and she said she go put $5,000 for you. Know how much money that?
I know me and you borrow it, you know. You and my daughter talk about that. I
Don't
lucky,
worry,
no, lucky, you
me
lucky, you know.
have that then covered.
Come
You have
on.
your money
But
covered?
don't
Yeah.
like them. I lucky, you lucky. Me tell her that too.
Make sure so you call me at your for.
Girl, if you just did it, if you tell my father, say, how you give me the money?
Oh, I think about my money come next 3 day time, 20,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this. Sis! Charmian! Come here.
What is not this?
Hell break loose out there today.
What want my daughter have?
What one your daughter have?
My daughter tell me say one I no kick her and one I no take my daughter money. Why you do that to my daughter? Look how my daughter slim. Want me keep doing
Why
that?
you have to be such a liar, little girl?
Everywhere you come like I sound love mystery.
My daughter
Look at
have
some
bad
little
feedback
problem.
and say no taking money from her. Look how my daughter little.
What money she have,
That's
so?
true. Why am I going so wicked? When I tell the truth.
The truth about what? Who take money from you?
You.
Me take your money.
Then let me tell you what happened. You see, me don't know. You know one boy one named Tibby?
Yeah.
The brown tall boy, yes. Me see she and Tibby. I walk her, come on. So me did it and me I say, yeah, you like a head sister, too wicked cause you say you bad for your back now. That me say to her and walk off and me make $100 use for flashing her face. By the time for reach on Miss Patsy, daddy, me can't find the money.
Well, if your daughter what this and lose money she's supposed to have.
After your information at TB, the same man where you come see her, him give me money for pay me rent. Remember the man say if I go pay the rent, him give me money.
15,000?
I don't take no money for your daughter.
You
And
stop
ask her why
telling
she
her
have flash her money in my face. It's such a love problem.
So which one I no kick my daughter then?
Kick what?
Which one then? So what make you do that?
Kick what?
How so?
Guys,
She kicked her.
No.
Who are them people?
What?
A liar.
So how not bad for him back? Look here.
Mr. Landlord, sir.
Sorry.
Mr. Landlord, sir. See a leech over there. Go and put it on your mange. Here?
Why would I put it on you? Why would I put it on you? Leech on you?
Put it on your mange.
Let me talk.
Your mange need it more. Because she's so lying.
She had with me too.
What make you do that? How that happen then?
Me just assure you something. You see that is a liar? 10 seconds ago, she pointed to my sister and said, my sister beat her. It's
Then
then she turn around just now and say me.
Listen what me say, man.
Listen
Listen what me
Have
say.
manners and stop tell lies.
Me say she kicked me. And you had with me too.
Me separate the fight.
One.
She
So
start
what?
fight
So
my
what?
sister. She jump on my sister back. I you know, so my sister back sore already. No, she when me separate the fight, this one with her hot head, I kick so. She'll kick my sister knee. She'll kick my sister knee.
Right now, me
If anybody forgot doctor and go hospital, I'm going to take my sister again. Come in and get no compensation for your first one.
Right now, me can't even walk. You know, see, which part of the country me sit down right here, so
I pay I pay every time. I pay. You have some problem.
Right now, come like one bone broken
no,
on it.
and that's your problem. Because if you never come, they won't have a back. Alright, tell you what. Me carry my daughter go to doctor, you know, and I carry back.
Carry her, go ahead, doctor.
And you see when they come back with the doctor bill, want right money.
Sometimes
it's
Alright, when we got solicitor. Yes, ma'am. My doctor, hospital, and then solicitor. You need psychological help.
You say
You
you
love
father
trouble
never
too
come
much
with
in
you,
your tooth,
and
no.
that's dash some dirty water in your face.
Empty the chimney pan there.
Damn fat. Go in your yard. Smell bad like.
But sis, look at your cars there now. Eh?
What me do? What me do?
All you. Me have to touch you and think for you for you ball out. And then if you never bring the crosses in the first place, we would
So
have
me never go
good
ball out, but through you hat up your foot now, me have to
You
ball
have to
out
up your
more.
foot, man, otherwise you wouldn't ball out, man. Your memory short.
Ay, me
This is
tell
all
you.
your fault.
You
We
must
would have
have
taken
been
this if it
across
wasn't for
the seas.
you, you know.
Which part you find that? Which part you find that man then rent that place you're from?
No matter where we find it, and before you come, sis, everything will move good. You come, you thief the woman phone, and at that they make the little
You
girl.
man have to bring up back this
because
argument,
it's,
yeah.
that
No,
is
make
the
you have to bring up back
rules.
this argument,
If
yeah.
you never thief the woman phone, make the crosses
Sleeping
bring the come bring her
sleeping dog line,
everything
man. Make sleeping
Everything.
dog line. But can't
You have
bother.
to get something, man. Come,
You
you
know,
can't live like this.
Me a go
sister.
road,
We
and you can't, and you
All
bring
around,
on them
man.
and
Come,
destruct
can't
your
live like
family.
this, man.
One.
Every minute me have to style
I want
people.
them all dirty.
Me never born a liar.
Destruct
And since
something.
you come, you bring the liar out to me, man.
I
Sure.
know. Me not
You can't take him and go around. Go around. You can't take
And
him.
the coat and the
Go
cap
on.
leak. Me not pay
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. You?
Good man, how your sister feeling?
She there.
Call her for me now. Would I love if you told her there to hear this? Me I saw wonderful.
Lisa. Lisa. Oi.
Yes, sis.
Oh, I want to go notice me if you tell her about. So look updates and stuff. Come on.
Are you gonna interrupt my nice phone call?
Don't worry, you're not going to interrupt. Oh, look at that. You're not going to interrupt on a phone call no more. I'm not even want nobody hear this. So here we go on. So, this me Charmaine, because I could read that. This is my daughter prescription which she get from the doctor because unlike some people, when people go to doctor will actually treat them because they actually are feel pain. Alongside this, you will find your eviction notice. So, as you may read and see what go on, at time you start pack up on the bags them. Come find out the local scheme on no one pay. So this is it. Me just come with a perfect message. As
No.
man,
True, me not bring my me take my time. And you see when you do good in this your world, it come back and bite you on your batty hole.
If you beat up your daughter good.
Beat up your daughter good. How good if she fights one little schoolgirl out of the street for your man? Huh? How when me,
Sis,
how when my,
this, you know, me can't read. You remember say me can't read, but this,
I draw me a next thing. Eviction, no, I just say doctor.
that no look like no doctor
So here we go on.
letter. That don't look like no nothing.
When you can go and look on it, your head on the road and discuss this. Alright, but I love to have my money. I love to have my money. I'm soon come back in, so nobody feels my grandfather. When you can go and analyze and scrape up on a chunk change.
You go on. Damn fault.
charger, I told them I make. So much things.
Let me see it.
So much things. Them a come with whole heap list of things. No, sir. I
Sis,
told them I make.
that look like no prescription to you?
Sis, you really tell me say you can't read and you can't read for true. You know, sis, a prescription that you all hold the thing upside down, man. Chub. Lord God, let me look on the bottom.
That no look like no prescription to me.
Kaka.
I don't make can't read.
No,
But
sir. We have to go in the sort this out.
Sorry,
because
prescription.
a prescription for true with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lord God.
Are
Repeat.
you classy?
Them
Are
all
you
put
ca-
repeat.
Are
on
you
it,
lick?
sis.
Are you lick the girl in her back?
No,
Are
sir.
you do it?
No.
Are you do it?
Are you
Are
do the
you-
worst damage? Make we come in and sort this
You
out
do
because
that.
we
Are
can't
you class
manage.
that?
Repeat prescription to me. Can't manage, bro.
So, you know, say I pay trouble in my look. Don't you want that one from get for me?
Yeah, door. Alright.
Who that?
Come,
Who you want?
call your sister. You and I need to there so to hear that one, yeah.
Step back little first. Please and thanks.
Listen to me, I'm not in a heap of long talking. Just call out your sister there. Yeah, and I need
Lisa,
to
come
there,
a
so.
minute. Now the quicker we hear what this little girl has to say, young lady
Who?
has to say, the quicker
Who?
she will leave.
Who? Which young lady?
Talk fast, man. Talk fast. We have things to do.
Which young lady?
Stop going like you don't see me here, so.
Me smell something still, you know, but me not see nobody.
Listen, little. The kiss,
Stop
man.
going like you don't see me here, so.
Oh, are you?
You never see me.
Jesus.
song, you blind.
Christ, as I open the mouth, me know see you. Jeez.
I want him.
What kind of problem you have?
Open the door, sister. The smell
My
not going
jaw,
in the house.
my jaw, my door.
Listen when me talk. Me know my father come over here, right? Come give you a prescription.
They want hit not?
The prescription of the
You
father
can't
beat
even
me
talk
up.
crap.
And me
You walk fine now, though.
Let me walk find the thinker. Your sister, this is what I tell lie.
You mean your forgery? Prescription?
Exactly.
You never can none coming up.
You don't
You
even have a
never
stamp.
can none come. Anyway,
Forgery
the
that.
thing, the money one go take to go fill out the prescription. Give me.
Give
me. Cause remember your sister thief me money and never give me it back. So give me the money where you go use fill out the prescription.
Little girl, me not deal with the monkey, me deal with the organ grinder. You is not the organ grinder.
How you come over here,
Me say, give me
Scam
the pay by the people them. Cause if I give
scam, you
me,
come over here for scam? Well, we not have nothing for scam.
me say, give me the money because
We don't have nothing
as a matter of
for
fact,
Me
scam.
not give you nothing.
alright, as a matter of fact, you so have to go come out cause next month I'm my birthday and I will be turning 18. And I'm in a year so
Me want to see what the name did that
So,
might happen.
if
Because
I
girl,
were
you still a little girl.
listen to me. Me never done talk. You see, it was on take on look. Yeah, they don't have
Little girl, come on, tell you some man. Come on, tell you some. You waste people time. Come on to big people argument.
What do you mean?
Go pick up your dolly, go round. And
Who
that you
pick up
figure
pick
out.
up dolly, go
And that
round?
you figure out. Go pick
Go
up your
pick
little
up your-
dolly, go
your
round.
sister.
You're still picnic.
Listen.
She's a big woman to you and me is a big woman to the boat town. Go pick up your
Listen
little
to me,
Barbie doll.
woman.
Go round.
Listen to me, look,
What's
woman.
wrong with this?
Look how mudfish, woman. Listen to me now. Listen to me now. Take up your
That's from the woman
sister.
with the Bob Marley
Take
funeral
up your
underneath.
sister.
The whole possession there underneath. Move and go ahead. You don't know
Slime
who, you
ball.
know. You don't
Take
know
away
who.
yourself.
Look how frog face, woman.
Take away
Serious
yourself,
too.
slime
Cause
ball.
you don't have no
You
sense
have
of come
nothing
like.
going on
You're
there.
coming like the community
You have nothing going
bicycle.
on.
But I like me. You don't look. Oh, what is? Liquor, sis, liquor. Liquor. Liquor, sis. No, lick. No, sis.
Yeah.
No, let me deal with her. Liquor, sis.
Alright.
Liquor.
Okay.
Yes, you're brute, you. All right. Me know what me a gonna do. I mess up my D&G dress. Me know what me a gonna do. Me a shit. Come, sis.
Hold on.
She know where it is, sis. Me go exhort her backside. Come, sis. Come. Me know what me a gonna do.
say me a go mash
And
her
it's your
up.
fault too. It's your fault too. All of this is your fault. How is it my fault?
It's your fault.
Me good D&G jeans mix up. All my body rip up outside. It's your fault. Just like me say your fault, the man.
Mr. Your fault. It's not my husband.
How is it my fault? My body there out the door. They come kiss into you and punch me down and make me split up my body. And I feel fault.
Come.
And my stupidness.
Come, go in. You go on the road.
And my stupidness. Tell me say your fault. And my stupidness. Your mother never wants you. Your mother never wants you. You meet up all my foo-foo says take you in. Everything of this live you good. Now landlord and girl come. You know how long me living in this and never had no problem. Now me have to go salt my drawers but it's safe for you. Jaja.
What wrong with her now?
All kind of things me all happen.
He like what?
I be sitting there going down for me yard, so it look like I rent here come for pay now. I pay a problem down me yard.
What kind of problem?
Pay a problem. You see the little girl, the landlord daughter.
Yeah.
One whole heap of something. Me said the little girl don't have no manners and no behavior.
What she do?
She don't have nothing about her. She come down there and she beat half me and my sister.
And them the drama they are going on your yard. That's so she look like a rank.
Same way. I don't know what do her. She beat me and my sister right now. I happy.
But look how you're big and strong. I say you're worthless. You can't make that little stick they come beat you.
You know, say you're another one.
How you make this stick come beat you?
You're another one, you know. You're another one.
Bombado star.
So you don't believe me?
Come for believe you.
No, you have to go believe me because you see me can't hardly walk on my foot. Look there, all my foot swell.
Around 2 me come for, so come.
Round 2 you come for?
Yes.
Wait.
Round like I say you love
me
back.
come for.
You love number 2 business.
Come around 2 me come for.
You
So
love
come.
number
You
2.
ready? You ready?
Yeah. You see? You love problem too much. That's I get when you love problem.
She dead.
I don't care.
Don't move.
Don't move. Yeah, you go on.
What happened? What
You
happened?
go on, I don't care.
Jaja, what happened? Lord Jesus.
Should I come up here, come grab me on my head and come beat me again?
Lord God, me not feel no pulse. Get up, little girl. Get up.
And that's you
Jaja.
forget.
Jaja.
You see,
Lisa,
and that's you
you
forget
go
when
on
you
and
love
go until
problem.
you unalive the little girl. You unalive the little girl.
Go on, sir.
Jesus
Sis,
Christ.
me no business. And that's you
Lord
forget.
God.
What you
Lord God.
want to do to me, daughter?
Me just come.
So why you not ask what your
We
daughter
just
do to
come.
me?
Are you this to me,
We
daughter?
just,
Why you
no,
not
we
ask what she
just
do to
come.
me?
We just come.
Why
We
you not
just
ask
Where
what
you
she
do
do
to me,
to
daughter?
me?
Where you do to me, daughter?
Give her what she deserve.
Tell her what. You know what I'm saying?
Give her all of what she a look
see,
for.
you and your sister who know have to come out of my house. No.
No.
When I could
We
do
just
for,
come see
hey.
this.
Don't
We
make me
just,
come
you
down
never
the
see me
and
try
move
help
out.
her.
Try
Don't
help
do
her.
that.
You know have to go come
Look at duck face, boy. Your mouth favor
No, we
play.
didn't try
You know have
help
to come out of
her.
my place
Try
now.
help her.
No.
No.
You
No,
see you.
we didn't
Come out
help
of my place.
her.
You
You
your
here.
mouth big and ugly and face favor.
What is the right?
I see you too. I see your father telling my daughter, what make you can't mind your business? Yes, Christ. Hello? Now an emergency. Me the red ground. Yeah, me the daughter knock out. I want your father too, and every day you get up for you want concrete house. You see concrete you want and a concrete you get. Jesus Christ.
Lord God.
Come, sis, come.
Stop. Oh God. But look where your cars do.
So she dead?
She dead.
Are your
She dead.
fault.
Which
Are
part
your
of my
fault.
fault?
Your fault.
Are you lick
Are
her?
your
Why you have to
fault.
do
Are
that
you do
before?
it? Are your
Before
fault.
you be the bigger
Are
woman
your
and walk
fault.
off. At my fault. Yes, because me found fool take you in.
I walk where go
What me
where?
take you
Walk
in
where
for?
go where?
Why you
You
never
see how much
walk
time
where?
she beat me?
You're the bigger one. Why
She-
you never cuss her your word of your mouth? Why you never cuss her
She
you feel
paid that
underline
my
that
back.
poor girl?
She broke my foot.
Jaja.
You see how much things she do to me?
Yeah,
You don't see that?
You know, so she didn't really do it.
And I
you
your
know,
fault.
so
I your fault. Are you know I move out of people them all.
Me live down here good
I move
before
out
you
of
come.
people them all dirty
My
house.
shoes me lose.
I your fault.
My trousers batty out of there. My shoes me lose.
Mm.
Every saltness come from me
So
from
nothing
you.
happened to me.
You see
Nothing
what?
happened to me.
You see the next place?
Nothing
You
happened
see
to
the
me.
next place? Go find somewhere for yourself. You don't have no sister named Charmaine no more. Me can't do this no more.
I write that I take my
You don't have no
You know?
sister. I'm in a business with you.
Yeah,
Hey,
you don't
me
have no
D&G
sister.
rip up. Me baggy rip up. Me D&G rip up. Me lost my shoes. Man kick me out in sick. And you
I
come
know
out
nothing
to
to
me
me.
life.
Nothing
Your
happened to me.
crosses.
Listen,
Come out
it's
to
not
me
happened to
life.
me.
You
Are
can't
y'all what
do
happened
the
to?
blood of
You know,
Jesus
I
and you
told me
out to me
can't
life.
read that right. That's
Yeah,
why
you
you deal
can't
with
do
me so.
nothing right. Come
Told
on
me
to me
can't
life.
read that right. That's why you do me so. But anyway, I got today, me I follow you.